Yes, Daddy's taking a picture of you. That's right. He's filming you. You can look at it when you're 16, when you're 30. These are my baby videos. Yeah.
How are you?
Sleepy. I'm good.
Aunt Eleanor.
Hi. Yeah, this is Aunt Eleanor.
This is
When
Sienna.
you're 30, you can look at, what I look like 30 years ago. Hi. This is Sienna. You have very cute feet.
Yeah. You want to dress her?
What?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Me?
What do you have?